Abari kuteekateekwaho ni Kasemere Eunice, Senior Internal Auditor, hamwe na Nahabwe Promise, Senior Treasurer, bona babiri nibakora na Kyegegwa Town Council, kandi Promise yahereze no kuhandikira mukuru w'abakozi habwa Kyegegwa ari kushaba okurekura omurimo.
If it is found out that these documents are forgery, I think that will be clear that these people can be dismissed and give room for other people that have good documents to come and work for the people.
I'm one of the whistleblowers because I won the cow at some stage. I really pity the cow who just comes and plunges himself thinking he would retire from here into trouble.
Okutunga emirimo egi nikyetengesa omuntu kuba aine ekihandiiko ekya CPA ninga gyete Certified Public Accounts, konka nikigambwa ngu aba bakaha ekihandiiko ky'ebijingirire bwanyuma y'omwe omu bakozi ba district yabibuzaho, rero batandika kwerera sente za gavumenti.
Ms. Kasemere Eunice, Senior Internal Auditor, Kyegegwa Town Council. Ms. Nahabwe Promise, Senior Treasurer, Kyegegwa Town Council, were recruited with forged CPA academic documents. The purpose of this communication, therefore, is to ask you a detailed report about the above saga.
Even resigning is not enough because still they don't look for you. Because unless otherwise, but the moment you obtain the job with fake papers, you are supposed to be arrested.
Kuri jaro mukuru w'entebe ya katano habwa Kyegegwa John Kisoke hamwe na DC John Betungura, hariho n'ebindi bihandiko by'abakozi barukurenga muri 10 bitari mu ibiciro ry'ebihandiko nabyo biruha kabuza.
There are some files which are supposed to be in the central registry but are being kept by an individual, by an officer. The investigation is revealing so far.
Towards the end of May, the two staff write to me out of station permission to go and do their exams. I okayed the permission to go and sit for exams. But after I had okayed, something comes into my mind. And I said, for someone to be a senior internal auditor should have CPA. How comes this girl is now asking me for permission to go and do exams?
Twahika ofisi z'akakiiko akari kugaba emirimo habwa Kyegegwa, kandi oku twashanga orukukakurira Justus Twahirwa atari mu ofisi nikwe kumuterera esimu akatugira ngu nk'akakiiko tino kakubasa kucencyura ebihandiko ebihikire n'ebitahikire.
That's why government is certifying the copies. Actually, I don't have details as we talk now.
Obwa hati abakozi abatari bamwe na bamwe omu district ya Kyegegwa batandikire kurekura emirimo yabo bwanyuma y'ebitongere bitari bimwe na bimwe kutandika kubacondozaho. Gashaka Philip Murangire.